Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to draw an awesome looking jet step by step. Grab a pencil and paper and let's get started. Step 1. Draw the body first. Draw an oval shape near the center of your paper for the main body or fuselage. Make it a decent size, but leave more space on the right side for the wing. Step 2. Add the wing. Next, draw a horizontal line on the fuselage and make a half-oval shape starting from one end of the line to the other. Angle it to the right for an aerodynamic look. Step 3. Draw the tail. Now, let's add the tail. Draw a rectangle shape diagonally off the back of the fuselage. Round the top right corner and make the top part narrower for aerodynamics. Erase any lines inside the fuselage. Step 4. Add the horizontal stabilizer. Below the tail, draw a small oval for the horizontal stabilizer. Erase any lines that cut through it. Step 5. Draw the engines. For the engines, draw two small ovals at the front of the wings. Erase any fuselage lines through them. Step 6. Add the cockpit. Next, draw a half-oval shape at the front for the cockpit. Connect it to the fuselage with a curved line and erase any overlapping lines. Step 7. Add the landing gear. Finally, draw a circle near the front for the wheel and a rectangle to mount it. Erase any overlapping lines. Adding details. To make your drawing look more realistic, add some clouds in the background to show the jet is flying. You can also color in the jet. Just be careful not to go outside the lines. Step 9. Coloring the jet. When coloring the jet, use different colors to make the various sections stand out. Be careful to color inside the lines. And there you have it. A completed, colored in jet drawing. I hope you enjoyed this simple jet drawing tutorial. Let us know in the comments what you want to draw next. And be sure to check the video description for more on my tutorials and services. Hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe.